guys, and welcome to my first recap video for the 100-day project. I know this is super late, but so are my tags, so it works out. So if you don't know what the 100-day project is, it is a global art project that started on April 3rd this year, and the goal is to make 100 things in 100 days. This year I am making 100 tags. I'm posting about it on Instagram under the hashtag 100 days of tags CJJ. Admittedly, I have fallen quite behind on the project because of how much time VEDA has taken up, but I do have the first 10 done at least, so I wanted to share them with you. So my first few tags were Halloween themed, thanks in large part to those gorgeous tag bases that I got in Happy Mail from Stacy over at Stacy's Stash. She originally distressed this tag, I just added the embellishments. So both sides were decorated with various stickers from Dollarama, and then the twine up top is from Michaels. There's the back there. This is my second tag of 100. Again, the original distressed tag base was made by Stacy's Stash. These two stickers are from Dollarama, and the enamel dots are from Michaels, I think. And then on the back we have more stickers from Dollarama, and again the twine is from Michaels. The third and final Halloween tag, at least for now, was also made with a distressed tag base from Stacy's Stash. Again, the stickers on both sides were all from Dollarama, and the twine is from Michaels. And there's the back there. The base for tag number 4 was made with scrap cardboard and then decorated with the cardboard from inside Can Company's sticker packaging. Then on the front I used some of the fabric butterfly stickers from Dollarama that also came to me in Happy Mail from Stacy's Stash, as well as these wood veneers that say "Be Beautiful" that I got in the March SCT sampler kit. And the gems are from I don't remember where. I got the ribbon in a thrift store grab bag. And the back of the tag was also decorated with packaging from Can Company stickers. Tag number 5 was made with a base of scrap cardboard. That's likely where a lot of my tag bases will come from. And it was covered on both sides with the same paper, but I can't remember where I got it. And then the front was decorated with gems from both Dollar Tree and Dollarama, and the ribbon came in a thrift store grab bag. Tag number 6 was decorated on the front with a piece of paper from your dollar store with more, pearl stickers from Dollar Tree, and the acrylic word that came in the March SCT sampler kit. The back was covered with a piece of paper from a Dollar Tree notepad, and the ribbon was repurposed from the packaging of those Hallmark magnets and keychains that we keep getting at Dollarama. Tag number 7 was decorated with paper that I don't remember the source of, as well as this sticker and the gold sequins from the April SCT sampler kit. The back was again covered with a piece of paper from a Dollar Tree notepad, and the ribbon was repurposed from the packaging of a bottle of body spray from Dollarama. Tag number 8 was decorated with scraps from papers that I used to make other tags, as well as some leatherette ribbon that I picked up at Dollarama, and some of the little paper embellishments that I got in Happy Mail from Caroline at Beauty Above and Beyond. The back was also decorated with scraps and leatherette ribbon, as well as this adhesive chalkboard label from the April SCT sampler kit, and the ribbon is from the thrift store. Tag number 9 was again covered with that marbly metallic paper and decorated with stickers from Dollarama, these star embellishments from the March SCT sampler kit, and these little gem stickers from the April SCT sampler kit. The back was covered in paper from your dollar store with more, and the ribbon is again from the thrift store. And finally, the front of tag number 10 was covered with paper from your dollar store with more, and decorated with stickers from Michaels, gems from the April SCT sampler kit, and this button from the thrift store. While the back is covered with more paper from a Dollar Tree notepad, and the ribbon was once again repurposed from Hallmark packaging. And that is it for this recap video. If you'd like to keep up with slightly more real-time updates to the project, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Canadian Journal Junkie, and follow my unique hashtag 100 days of tags CJJ. Again, I'm rather behind on posting because of VEDA, but once April is over, I'm hoping to catch up and keep up with it in a more timely manner. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, give it a share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little bell in the corner to be notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys tomorrow.